This is a UTV, specifically a 5th generation Polaris RZR XP900 that has been built into a Best in the Desert Pro UTV class race vehicle by Cognito Motorsports. Weighing less than 2,000 pounds and touting nearly 100 horsepower, these vehicles can reach speeds in excess of 80 miles per hour, have over 14 inches of suspension travel, and are capable of handling sand, rock, mud, and the gnarliest desert terrain. UTVs represent a new trend in cost-effective, low-maintenance race vehicles, which are making it easier for the average person to come race off-road.